In this part we continue the work, and now I show you how to join two motifs together. Here are two motifs. This is my completed motif. This is my current motif. I didn't finish it, and while making the last round, I show you how to join two motifs together. I didn't finish two last sides. I took their backs together. My current motif is closer to me, like this. I did 4 double crochet in the corner. I will begin from the corner, and now work with 3 chain space. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch, make single crochet, like this. Continue working on the last round. Make 4 double crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull up the working loop. Let's make the next joining point. Let's look at completed motif. After the corner, I did 4 double crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and insert the hook into the 4th stitch. Take the working yarn, pull it through. The second joining point is ready. Continue. Work with next chain space. Make 3 double crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3. Pull up the working loop. Remove the hook. Let's look at the ready motif. After this joining point, you can see 6 double crochet stitches. Let's count 1, 2, 3, and insert the hook into the 3rd stitch. Take the working loop, pull it through. And the 3rd joining point is done. Continue working on the last round. Make double crochet into the same chain space. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook. Insert the hook into the next stitch. In the completed motif, take the working loop, pull it through. I continue working on the last round of my current motif. Make double crochet into the same chain space. 1, 2. Let's look what we have. I have done the first side. Continue working with next chain space. Make double crochet. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook. Here is my corner chain space. Insert the hook into the first double crochet in this side. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Make 3 double crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3. Chain. Now insert the hook into the second chain stitch of this chain space, this is chain space that is in the corner, make single crochet into the second chain stitch. Now chain. Now make 4 double crochet into the same chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. My first side is ready. Then you should continue working by yourself and your swatch will be ready. I have done my current motif and here how my swatch looks like. And now I show you how to join the fourth motif to another 3. As you can see, I didn't complete my current motif. I didn't finish my first side and the second side. This is the first side and this is the second. Firstly, I will join to the top motif, then I'm going to do with middle joining point, then I'm going to do the middle joining point, and after that I will work with side motif. And as you can see, all 4 motifs have the middle joining point. As you can see, this is the first one, the second, the third and the fourth join it to the first one. Now I show you how to crochet joining points. As I did before, I took their backs together. My current motif is closer to me. After 4 double crochet, I did chain and now insert the hook into the middle chain stitch. Now insert the hook into the second chain stitch of the chain space, make single crochet. Make a chain and work on my current motif. Make 4 double crochet into the same chain space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull up the working loop. Remove the hook. Here are my 4 stitches. In this case, I have got 3 stitches and the chain. Now insert the hook into the chain. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Pull a little bit. Continue working on my current motif, work with next chain space. Make double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert the hook into the stitch. Here are 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3. I insert the hook into the third stitch, take the working yarn, pull it through. Then double crochet more. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook. Now insert the hook into the next stitch, take the working loop, pull it through. The joining point is done. Make 2 double crochet into the same chain space. 1, 2. I have done joining points Work with next chain space, make double crochet. Double crochet is done. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook. Let's look at the ready motif. As you can see, 8 stitches. Now insert the hook into the first stitch of these 8. Take the working loop, pull it through. Make 3 double crochet. Chain, pull up the working loop, remove the hook. Now I show you how to join to the middle joining point. This is the first motif, this is second, the third. Here is my joining point. I turn the work. Now insert the hook into the chain stitch that I worked into. Make single crochet into this chain stitch. Chain. I continue working on the last round. Make double crochet 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook. I have done the first side. Now I'm working with side motif. After the middle joining point, here are 4 stitches. Now I'm working with 4th stitch. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Continue working on my current motif. Make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook. Here are my 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And take the working loop, pull it through, pull a little bit, make double crochet into the same chain space, pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert the hook into the first, insert the hook into the next stitch, take the working loop, pull it through. Work into the same chain space, make double crochet 1, 2, work with next chain space, make double crochet, pull up the working loop, remove the hook. As you can see, this is the corner. Insert the hook into the first stitch, take the working loop, pull it through. My second side is almost ready, but I still need to continue. Work with 3 double crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3. Chain. Take their backs together. Work with corner chain space. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch. Make single crochet, chain, continue working on the current motif. 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet. I have done 2 sides. Here how my swatch looks like. Firstly, I crocheted this side, then I work it with this one. Now I need to complete my current motif and my swatch is ready. I have done the last small piece And now I repeat how you need to join. I begin from this side. I work it with top motif. Then I did the middle joining point, and after that I work it with side motif. Let's look at the middle joining point. The second, the third and the fourth have joined to the first one. This is the front side of the swatch. This is the back. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow us in social media. Today we have learned how to crochet beautiful square motif made of 2 colors of yarn, and also you will know how to join such motifs together in large piece of work. Thanks for watching!